Take your time.
I am not small, you're just enormous!
Last chance to walk.
I never walk.
Okay, that one hurt.
Not bad, kid.
You sure about this?
Always.
Stay down. Draw.
Draw.
Gravity, as we know, always points down. Usually.
Is it hot out here, or is it just my overheating processor?
Well, all the videos that you have seen was made using Seedance 2.0 Fast, and Higgsfield has released this unlimited thing for Seedance 2.0 Fast, and now you can go ahead and use this unlimited. So you can see the offer here. It's 28 days enhanced Seedance 2.0 Fast unlimited at 30% off, and you can claim this 28 days unlimited. Use this. Now I happen to have a lot of credits on my account. I can see that I have about 7,000 credits remaining, and therefore I'm able to test this out. So I went ahead and did so many of the examples using Seedance 2.0 Fast, but when you purchase that, you will have the enhanced version here. Okay, but you can see all these examples that you see here, all using Seedance 2.0 Fast, and all the examples that I've shown you at the start of the video, and I have tried this using many other examples that we see here, but this is amazing. Now I'm going to show you how to use this, but a little bit about Higgsfield. If you go to the link in the description, you'll be brought to this page where you can see Higgsfield is not just an image and a video generation, but we have all these other things. For example, MCP, I've created multiple videos, marketing studio, cinema studio, and today we're talking about enhanced unlimited Seedance 2.0 Fast. So if you click on this, or if you go, once you take the plan and you go to video and then you go to Seedance 2.0, for example, and then you will have the option to choose the model here. So you will select, in your case, enhanced Seedance 2.0 Fast, and once you have that, you can go ahead and put in your prompt here. We can select this timing here. It goes from 15 seconds to about 4 seconds, to 4 seconds to 15 seconds, and we have different aspect ratios like 9:16, 16:9, 4:3, 3:4, 1:1, and 21:9. So for this case, I'm choosing 16:9, and we have 480p and 720p, and the bitrate is available as well, less compressed, larger size. We want this to have better quality, and then you can give different references. You can give up to 9 images as reference. Click here, you can see the image generations, the images that I had already generated using this account. I can give 3 number of video generations. seconds, and then I can give 3 number of audio files as well, so that will be included in the final video. Now if this 15 seconds feels less for you, what you can do is you can make one video first, and then you can club or use that video as an input and continue. So for example, I'm going to show you one example of how I did it. So you can see this was an original video here, and where the little guy was hurt here, and then what I said is continue the scene where the little guy gets up, magically floats in the air, and then meditates and defeats the big guy. So we have this after the original video. So once you combined the video, you will have the full video. So I created 45 seconds video using 3 videos for this same idea. So similarly, you can use you can go ahead and expand on your ideas. So I think this is a very good opportunity to use. You can go ahead and take an annual plan. If you go with a monthly plan, however, you don't have the unlimited access on the Pro, but on the Max. So if you're going on a monthly plan, you need to have $79 of expenditure for the Max plan, and then you will have the 28 days of unlimited enhanced Seedance 2.0 fast. Let me know how it goes. And now I'm going to generate the final goodbye scene using this Seedance. So I put in the shots here, and then let's say generate, wait for the generation, and then I will play to you, and that will be a bye-bye for this video. I will see you in the next one.
Best decision I ever made.